let's get your details of what played out in a Varanasi court today with regards to the Gyanvapi case. Remember that the Archaeological Survey of India had conducted a survey. A report of that has been submitted in a sealed cover to the Varanasi District Court judge. And I want to bring in on this broadcast Mr. Vishnu Shankar Jain, who's been fighting this case for the Hindu side for the last many months. Mr. Jain, good evening. Thank you for joining us here on India Today. I understand that you have objected to this report being submitted in a sealed cover. Why is that, sir? Because the Muslim side has sought an undertaking that this not be leaked, that this remain in a sealed cover.
See, first of all, there is nothing called leaking in the court proceedings. We are in the era where we are seeing the live telecast of judgment delivered by the Supreme Court in Article 370. We are in an era where we are seeing live telecast of various important proceedings before the Supreme Court and the High Court, and all these things are happening due to the judgment passed by the Supreme Court where the live telecast of court proceedings have been allowed. So in this era, if someone says that the court proceeding must not be told to the media, I think it's a complete jolt on the freedom of speech or freedom of speech and expression. And the point is this: the matter had travelled, the Honorable District Court of Varanasi had passed the order on 21st of July. The matter went to the Allahabad High Court. The Allahabad High Court, after due consideration, passed an order granting ASI survey on 3rd of August. The matter went to the Supreme Court. In the Supreme Court, the Anjuman Intizamiya had a specific argument that the ASI must file the report in the sealed cover, and that argument was rejected by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court wide order dated 4th August 2023 had specifically and categorically mentioned that this report will be filed in the same manner as a report is filed by an advocate commissioner under Order 26, Rule 9 and 10. Let me also tell you, when the report in this particular case was filed by advocate commissioner, it was a report without a sealed cover. So the law on sealed cover is very categorical. You can only file a report in the sealed cover when it is specifically directed by the court, and the Supreme Court has time and again deprecated the practice of filing the report in sealed cover.
So
and in this particular case, the Supreme Court had given a contrary view. Yes, it's a violation, direct violation, and it's in teeth of the order of the Supreme Court of 4th of August. There was no direction to file the report in the sealed cover. And can you imagine the irony? The 4 women plaintiffs and the counsels who have ran from pillar to post from months to months to get this ASI survey done, who have participated in this ASI survey for 92 days, and today was the day when we were waiting to see that at least what's written in the report, and that was also not shown to us, and the report was filed in the seal cover, and now there will be another hearing on 21st of December to see that whether this seal cover has to be opened or not. I have filed an application before the Honorable District Court Varanasi saying that I am appearing for all these 4 women plaintiffs. On my application, this ASI survey was conducted, and I must be given a soft copy of this report on my email ID so I can peruse the report. I can see whether the commission has been carried out properly, whether whatever we had said in the commission has been brought on the report. I can file my objections or I can support the report, but at least I need a copy of the report, and therefore the matter will be heard before the District Court of Varanasi on 21st of December.
Okay.
And the irony is that the Anjuman Intizamiya initially, who had got a gag order from the District Court Varanasi on 10th of August saying that whatever is found in the survey must not be told, today they file another application saying that whatever is in the report also must not be shared.
Okay, let's talk about this report. I know it's in a sealed cover, so what we're going to talk about also will be speculative. But are you confident of things moving in your direction, particularly because if you look at the survey, it excluded one section where you've, of course, fought saying that the shivling was originally there. That area has been excluded from the survey. So are you still confident that this will go your way?
Yes, we are very confident. And let me tell you that as of now there is a gag order passed by the District Court of Varanasi, and we cannot tell that whatever has been found during the survey. But let me tell you that more than 300 artifacts were discovered, and the list has been submitted to the District Magistrate of Varanasi. Okay. All those artifacts are with the District Magistrate of Varanasi. The entire survey of 92 days is very clinching, and it will prove and give strength to our case, and it will be established that this so-called mosque is not a mosque as per Islamic law, and it's a complex of Hindu temple which is illegally being used as a mosque. This will be proved to Hild when this report is a copy of this report is given to us.
Okay,
Yes.
we'll know very, very soon. The hearing expected to resume on December 21st. Thank you very much, Vishnu Shankar Jain, for joining us here on India Today. We'll, of course, connect with you as that hearing progresses, not just in the Gyanvapi case, but also in the Mathura Krishna Janmabhoomi.